JJ the CPA here. Hope you're doing well. So the advanced child tax credit, you should have received by now a letter from the IRS that indicates your amount. That letter's 6419. And if there's two spouses in the household, married, filing jointly, each spouse is going to get the letter. And what you report on the tax return is the collective amount, meaning you will add together both amounts on those letters to then report it on your tax return. It goes on a form 8812. I'm going to give you links to this. I'm going to give you links to the FAQs that the IRS has put together related to this. That's your best source of information to answer your questions. The other aspect is if you didn't get the letter, how do you know what you got? Well, you go back to your bank account and look at what got deposited. The other aspect is you can go back to the portal, which I'm going to give you a link to on the IRS website, and you can log back into the Advanced Child Tax Credit portal to then see what amount you got. Now, if your letter doesn't match up to what you think you got, go back to your portal, match it up. The IRS indicates that if for some reason there's a discrepancy in the letter, go with the amount that's on your portal. If you don't have either one of those options and you didn't get it, then you don't have to worry about it, meaning you didn't sign up for it, or you didn't opt out of it, I should say. You didn't get the money, you didn't get the letter, you don't have it, then guess what? There's nothing for you to report. But if you did get the money, you had a mysterious amount of money deposited into your bank account you didn't even ask for from the U.S. Treasury, then this is something definitely you want to account for on your tax return on the Advanced Child Tax Credit. So I have a video that's a little longer related to this that I'm going to give you a link to, but I'm also giving you a link directly to the source, which is the IRS, on all of these issues related to the Advanced Child Tax Credit. Here's the key though. If you did not get that child tax credit in advance, the tax credits for the children, or your dependents, if you will, are higher in 2021, and 18-year-olds qualify for it. So nonetheless, be sure that you are claiming your dependents. So even if you got the money in advance, there's still more credit to get because the max that you got in advance was half the amount. Software should take care of this. Your tax pros should take care of this. But at the end of the day, if you really want to look and see what it is and how it was calculated, ensure that you feel you got the right amount. It's on Form 8812 that would be a part of your tax return, your individual, that you're filing with the IRS. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Have a great one.